So you just bought your shiny new Mac, and you want to make sure that you've got some antivirus protection for it. So I'm just going to talk you through Malwarebytes. We'll get that installed. It's completely free. It's one of the best ones on the market. So it's not a real-time scanner, but if you run it every 2 or 3 months or something, then that will give you sufficient protection against all of the nasties. So let's get it downloaded. And we'll run through getting it set up and configured. So the installer's downloaded, so let's launch that. So if you want the real-time protection, then you need to purchase it, but we're going to go with the free option. I think it's sufficient for a Mac. So let's get that installed. Okay. So if you want the protection, then you would turn it on here. So that would give you your 14 days of real-time protection trial. I'm going to say no, and what we're going to do is, once that's installed, which it is, we can go through the settings. I'll show you how to switch the premium trial off. So that's go to your dashboard and then my account, and we deactivate the premium trial. So that's done, and as you can see there, the real-time protection does not work. So we'll close that off, and protection updates are current. So the way that we run it is we're just going to run a scan, and this will find anything at all that shouldn't be on the Mac. That's it, basically. So that took a few seconds. That's the really nice thing with a Mac. It doesn't take forever like it does in Windows. It runs through all the key areas, and so once it's finished running, if you've got any unwanted programs or spyware, malware, then you can run through a wizard to get that removed. That's it. Nice and simple. And if you have any questions, then feel free to ask on at the bottom of the video. Thanks for watching.